applying white balancing. Then we have applied contrast limited adaptive histogram. For that, we have used cv2.create_clay function. Let me explain the parameters here. The first one is the clip limit. This parameter controls the extent of the contrast limitation. A higher value reduces noise amplification but might lead to less sharpened image. The second parameter is tile grid size. This defines image subdivision into tiles for individual histogram equalization. Here, the image is divided into an 8 into 8 grid of tiles. Then we have created a object named clay, and using this object we have applied to our uh, image with white balancing, and we got the output as clay underscore output. Then our second function begins. Here we have read the image from the image path. Then first of all we applied a Gaussian blur filter to smoothen the image to reduce its noise. Then we have used adaptive thresholding to detect edges. Here to apply this we have used cv2.adaptive threshold. The blurred here is the name of the image. 255 corresponds to the maximum output image. cv2.adaptive thresh underscore mean underscore c signifies the adaptive thresholding method. Here the mean of the local neighborhood around each pixel is used as the threshold value. Then cv2.thresh underscore binary. This defines the type of thresholding. Here pixels exceeding the threshold are set to white and those below are set to 0. Now, what are these numbers 9 and 2 signify? 9 is the block size parameter. It defines the size of neighborhood around each pixel used to calculate the local threshold. 2 is constant parameter. It is subtracted from the mean of the local neighborhood to control the threshold severity. Then we have found the contours to uh, focus on our region of interest. For that, we have used cv2 dot find contours. Here, edges is the name of the image that we get after applying the adaptive thresholding edge detection. The function cv2 dot rtr underscore external. This is contour retrieval mode. It signifies that only external contours, boundaries of objects touching the image border should be retrieved. Now cv2 dot chain underscore approx underscore simple instructs the function to approximate the contours using a simplified representation that only stores the most relevant points. This can be more efficient for processing compared to storing every single point on the contour. Then we have defined the adaptive region around each corner.